Hello everybody, I'm Chef Mika. Today I would like to share with you how I make my sushi vinegar. We have Japanese rice vinegar, sugar, salt, kombu. We start to put the sugar in the pot and then the salt, the kombu, of course the Japanese rice vinegar, and most importantly, don't forget to subscribe to my channel Gourmet Sharing and give me a like. Here we light the fire. We need to melt the sugar and salt. We have to stir from time to time, like what I'm doing. We let it cook for a few minutes, just long enough for the sugar and the salt to dissolve, and we could turn off the heat. We can split the sushi vinegar in the container, and the sushi vinegar we can keep it between 3 to 6 months. We keep the kombu in the vinegar because it contains natural MSG. So that is my sushi vinegar, and we are getting to the end of the episode. Peace!